Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the layer so you have a non-destructive backup. Check the image size and file type because JPEG compression versus PNG changes how you repair pixels. Zoom to 100% and enable rulers or grid to inspect the pixelation pattern. Once done, switch the duplicate to a smart object if you plan filters, because smart objects preserve detail when resizing and let you undo steps later without degrading the original. Now focus on removing blocky artifacts while preserving edges. Start with reduce noise with conservative settings to avoid smudging. Then use surface blur to smooth flat color areas, but keep edge radius low. Convert a duplicate to a temporary composite and run high pass set to a subtle radius. Then change blend mode to overlay or soft light at low opacity to restore perceived detail. Make sure to toggle visibility to compare and use layer masks to limit effects to problem areas only. Finish by upscaling carefully. Image size with preserved details algorithm gives the best interpolation. Increase to a target resolution in small steps if needed. After resizing, zoom in and use spot healing and clone to clean remaining artifacts, working on a blended copy so you can adjust. Once satisfied, apply final subtle sharpening, then save a layered PSD-like file plus a flattened export such as PNG or TIFF. If things look worse, undo the last few steps or revert to the backup duplicate and retry different filter strengths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.